So we are here at the Stone Mountain. We've reached, that's the Stone Mountain. I'm excited to hike it up. Let's see. Our tour guide says the hike is quite intensive, but it's like a 30-minute, oh, 30-minute hike. So I'm excited. Let's see. There's also a cable car that you can take, but I'm not. I think while coming back, I might take the cable car. Let's see. I'm not sure. But yes, I'm very excited. And I think it's very pretty in here. So yeah, let's see what happens. And you know, I met a new companion, OG Batak, OG Duck. See, that's my companion for life. I think I've recently started liking animals like never before. दूर से, only from far. Don't come near me, okay? I'm scared. But yeah, so let's see what happens. There's a mini golf course behind us. Let me show you. It's a mini golf course like right here. So a lot of people come and play here. They were telling us, but it's pretty nice. Let's see what happens. Cute, only. No, I don't want to use that word. It's not cute. It's beautiful. Hello. So we have reached the West Lake. They told us it's a man-made lake. We have about 30 minutes to, he said, hike around the lake. I don't see this as hiking. It is just like walking around the lake, but it's a nice trail. Again, it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it's nice to just walk around, be in nature. See, it's like beautiful right here. So all we're gonna do is walk around the trail. Interesting part was that he was telling us that there's like only 2 points of entry and exit. So if you come out of one, like if you enter through one, you'll be exiting out of the other, and vice versa. So let's see. That's what we're gonna do right now. Chale. So we are walking around. This is a man-made lake, and then our tour guide was also telling us that house round the corner, 1111, make a wish. You guys also make a wish, okay? That house that you see round the corner, that one. So it's in the show called Dark. So if any of you have seen that, get excited. He wanted us to be excited. None of us had seen that show. So, but just to keep up with his spirits, none of us got excited again. But yeah, it's the other side. It's more like a forest only, like a jungle types situation here. But nice only. So the sun is out, and it's very, very pretty behind us as well. The lake looks very nice. See. Okay, now it looks nicer, I won't lie. Like, you know, I've never been a nature person. Like, exploring purposes, thoda bahut idhar udhar, you know, dikha diya, ye kar diya. Uske liye to I've been okay. Like, you know, if you've shown me around a little bit here and there, I've been fine. But recently, I started to realize I'm the happiest with nature, यार. I mean, I'm the happiest around nature. और ये देखो, this, ये जो भी कहते हैं इसको, whatever you call this, ये बंदे ये चला के आ रहे हैं. Bro, insane. Hi. Oh wow, this is such a beautiful spot, bro. There is Harshita clicking her pictures. फिर वो मेरा फोटो शूट भी कर देगी. And I tried clicking my photos between the video, but yeah, bro. Eric, if you watch this, thank you so much for this recommendation. Great job at it. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, nature is so beautiful. Yeah, I swear to God. Oh, it's actually a long trail. We thought it's gonna be a small trail, but yeah, we're excited. It's like going around. So let's see. Oh, nice. Beautiful. So we have successfully completed the entire trail. It wasn't that long. हमने थोड़ा टाइम ले लिया because we stopped in between for pictures and all that. But behind me, it looks very beautiful. I think it's a nice scenery, and then right in front is also a very nice scenery. Right here, see, it's like a mini parking spot. And then, you know, so what he was trying to tell us, we went inside that way, and he told us that if we get inside that way, we would go around and come that way, right behind them, that way. And if we went in that way, we would have gone around and come that way. The trick to that would have been keeping the water on the same side all throughout the trail. So that's what we did, and we are back. We did not get lost. Although in between I was about to take a turn and I would have gotten lost, but yeah, let's see. So we are at the quarry exhibit, and it is telling us where all the stone of the mountain granite has gone. So these are all the places right here, and then there's a bunch of places on this one. So this is a polished version of that granite. And then he was telling us about the history of this rail connection. Now we're gonna go see the exhibit. There's a lot of like musty wood that we're walking onto, but let's. And very foresty in here, and that's our group, mini group. And the tour guide is right on the front, that one. So yeah, let's see. माउंटेन नहीं पहुंच पाए हम अभी भी. मेरे को तो लगा था माउंटेन देखने आई हूँ, पता नहीं कहाँ घुमा दिया मुझे, पर चलो ठीक है. करेक्शन, तो इसने बोल दिया कि हम माउंटेन पे हैं. तो बेसिकली ये सारा वो पार्ट ऑफ द माउंटेन है. दिस इज़ लाइक ही इज टेलिंग अस, सो वी आर ऑन द माउंटेन. But basically all of this is that part of the mountain where the stone was cut or taken off to, you know, be exported to various places and use it for industrial purposes. So we're on the uglier side of the mountain. We are getting there. Okay, yeah, I do see the top right there, so I'm excited. So we've reached a part of the mountain. Yay! इतनी शिद्दत के बाद, after so much effort, we have reached the and my plan was to trek this up or hike this up. Without हमारा vehicle ही ख़राब हो गया, तो उसको हमें यहाँ पे ये केबल कार वाले पे छोड़ना पड़ गया. तो अब हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, और क्या. अब उतरते वक्त हाइक डाउन करेंगे, जो मुझे बिल्कुल कोई वो नहीं है. पर हमने ना यहाँ पे एक फ़ोटो बूथ था, वो वाले नहीं होते जो स्ट्रिप में फ़ोटो निकालते हैं, तो हमने उसमें फ़ोटो खिंचवाई है. हमारी फ़ोटो है, देखो हमारी लास्ट फ़ोटो देखो तुम एक बार बस, बहुत ध्यान से. मेरा हाथ देखो, फीलिंग लाइक अ प्राउड इंडियन. We have started climbing up. Look at that. Again, I wanted to hike it up. Like the regret that I have, I mean the disappointment that I have that I'm not being able to hike this up is real, but okay. Hi guys. So we've reached the top of the mountain, the stone mountain. They told us that this is the largest exposed granite or granite piece on the face of the earth. See, this is what it looks like. I remember there's something very similar to this in Bangalore also. I remember climbing on top of that like a little while, not little while, but like years ago when I went to Bangalore for the first time. But yeah, पता है what हम अभी क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि लोगों ने ये देखने के बाद भी ये सोचा that the earth is flat. येड़े थे दिमाग से. It is round. See, bro, you literally have to turn around. How is it flat? But you know वो जो लेक जिसके अराउंड हमने वो छोटी सी ट्रेल एक्सप्लोर करी थी, that's right there. It looks very muddy and very dirty, but whatever. Oh, it's actually big. I thought it's gonna stop there. Okay, my bad. It's a nice little lake. They told us it's man-made. No wonder it's brown. Sorry. Okay. That's the top. It's like how I think ये molding है ना? I think the molding of the granite has started. But yeah, they were telling us that somebody tried to carve out the granite, but then it was not allowed, and so it's a very subtle carving, but most of it is now underground, and I couldn't personally see where the carving is, honestly, but yeah, so but that's the beauty of it. I don't know if you can understand, but the surface is very uneven. Also, me one moment, right there is Atlanta. Hold up, let me zoom in. Kahan gaya? That one. No, sorry, that's Atlanta. That is Atlanta, that's Buckhead. My bad, sorry. Atlanta is that one, and that's Buckhead. Okay. But yeah, so we're now starting to climb down.
हम जिंदगी में पहली बार यूज कर आई प्रॉमिस यू हमने सिर्फ एक कॉकटेल पिए, हमने ज्यादा नहीं पिए कुछ बस हम
और एक कॉकटेल के बाद हम 2 चिप्स, एक ये पैंडा वाला पैकेट और एक डब्बा
इसके लिए हम कल से लड़ रहे हैं और ये घर आ गया।
हम कल से अपने आप को बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं, हमें डाइट करना चाहिए, हमें, और हर्षिता मुझे कन्विंस कर रही है कि नहीं वेकेशन क्या, मैं कह रही हूँ नहीं हमें नहीं। और हमने उस समय आइसक्रीम विद चॉकलेट वो जो भी डिप थी वो खाई, और उसमें हम चल के आए कि हमने तो अपनी आइसक्रीम बचा दी, अब हमारे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है। 15 मिनट्स लेटर माइक्रोवेव यूज करने की जो एक्साइटमेंट थी ना, वो किसी को नहीं थी लाइफ में।
हाँ यार,
पहले तो हमने अपने लाइफ के पूरा 1 घंटा बर्बाद करा नीचे वेट करके वो डेक को देखने के लिए। उसके बाद उसने हमें बोला लो फ्री ड्रिंक ले लो, तो हमने कहा ठीक है, हम फ्री ड्रिंक लेने चले गए नीचे वाले बार में। तो वो हमसे कहता आईडी दो। अरे हम तो बच्चे लगते हैं, हम इतने भी छोटे नहीं लगते। और उसके बाद मैं इस चीज को, ये ना ऐसे पड़ी हुई थी, तो मैं इसको देख के कह रही हूँ कि ये एवोकाडो है। तो ये कहती है नहीं वो आर्टिचोक होगा। मैंने बोला मेरी टैक्स ब्रैकेट में एवोकाडो ही फिट आता है। अभी हमने एक ड्रिंक पी है, हमें दोनों को नहीं चढ़ी, हम पूरे सेंसेस में, हम सिर्फ थकान से हाई हो रखे हैं। हाँ। पर अगर हमने पी ली होती तो हमारी क्या हालत होती।
अगर मेरा पेट खाली होता तो बात अलग होती।
हाँ वो अलग बात, हमने बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया यार।
हाँ, हमने बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया
दोनों दिन, भगवान की दया से टच वुड के पूरे चिपक जाऊं, इससे बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया।
चलो गाइस,
हमें पता नहीं था इसमें इसका टेस्ट कैसा होगा, इसलिए मैं केचप उठा के ले आई हूँ।
सोनाली केचप पगलू है
बहुत बड़ी। तो चलो
वो कुछ भी केचप के साथ खा रहे थे। आज सोनाली ने कोल्स्लॉ में केचप डाला है।
हाँ यार बहुत टेस्टी था, क्योंकि मुझे मेयो का टेस्ट नहीं अच्छा लगता यार, तो मैंने कोल्स्लॉ में केचप डाल दिया है। यार हमें पानी मंगवा।
अगर सोनाली अपने पति से नाराज है तो उस पर केचप डाल देगी।
नहीं भाई, तो केचप क्यों वेस्ट करूँ मैं, बेहुदा आदमी।